Good afternoon, sir. My name is J. Swaminathan. I'm working as a branch manager at Citiland Bank Limited, which is started in the year 1904. Actually, my bank is one of the old private sector bank in Tamil Nadu based. Actually, we have a totally 700 branches, and I'm working as a branch manager in Maniya Karampalayam branch, which is in Coimbatore region. I joined this organization in 2014 as a clerical staff. After that, I completed JIB, CIB, so I got promoted as a junior officer or assistant manager. After that, I completed a specialized course in IIBF called a Certified Credit Officer course. After that, I completed SME Finance for Banker. Also, I completed KYC AML. So I got promoted as a branch manager in 2018. When I was taking a charge of the branch, my branch total business is 27 crore. At present, my branch total business is 62 crore. I created 35 crore in these 3 years, sir.
Excellent. Okay, so Mr. Sir, please tell me one thing that
Yes,
as you have cleared or you are having the certificate of KYC and AML through IIBF, right? Certified
yes,
course you have did.
yes, sir.
So can you tell me the three different segmentation of KYC?
Sir, customer identification, customer acceptance, monitoring of transaction, and risk management, sir.
All right, great. Okay, so on the basis of KYC, what are the risks? How many type of risks are involved in KYC?
Actually, there are 3 risks, sir. Low, medium, and high. We should accept the rebate KYC 10 years once for low category, 8 years once for medium, and 2 years once for high risk
Okay, fine.
customers.
One burqa lady, you cannot uh, see her face. One burqa lady came to your desk. You know,
Quality in
Parda
the sense,
Naseem women,
I cannot go through your question, sir.
Parda Naseem Muslim women having a scarf
Further,
on her face. You cannot see her face.
okay,
So one Parda Naseem women came to your desk asking to open one saving account. So
okay,
what will you do? What kind of risk means if you are opening saving account in her name? So
okay.
what you are going to do? You are putting her account in low risk or medium risk or high risk?
Low risk, sir. Low risk.
Low risk.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. And what about AML?
So AML is a act called Anti-Money Laundering under Prevention of Money Laundering Act. It is a process of converting a proper money into a legal money.
Okay.
So it is called as a anti-money laundering, sir. So the process of converting a white money into a illegal money by through
So
gambling or other.
when to prevent legal money or illegal money into legal money, there was a act introduced by Reserve Bank of India, so-called TMLA.
Yes, sir.
So when this act was implemented, do you have any information regarding this?
No, sir, I cannot go through it.
Okay, so I do expect from your side that
Okay,
you must know what is FIUIND.
FIUIND. Okay.
Are you aware of Financial Intelligence Unit
Aware, sir.
India?
Aware, sir. I aware of that, but I cannot explain the whole term.
Okay, miss, if your branch is having 5 or 10 forged note, what you do with the forged note?
Forged note.
Yes.
Sir, actually, when we have a certain guidelines from our central office, whenever we received a forged note, we should get some extra annexures 1, 2, 3 from the customer. We should forward the documents and with the full details to our cash pooling center, which is nearest biggest branch of our region. So after the central office guidelines, we came through the steps. Whenever we received 4 notes and above, we should filing a case.
Okay, very good. Okay, so Mr. Sir, tell me one thing.
Yes,
By having 7 year experience, 6 year experience, good experience of a city bank, city union bank,
yes, sir.
you want to switch your career and start a new position in the State Bank of India. You have cleared JIB also, you have cleared CIB also, many certified course of IIBF you already have did. But even though you want to start your journey from
Okay.
zero, why so?
So actually, banking job is the most prestigious job. State Bank of India is one of the largest public sector bank in India. Actually, State Bank of India is one of the top 500 Fortune companies in India. So for those good reasons, it is for simply a name, sir. State Bank of India's largest organization. So I would like to work with the State Bank of India, sir.
Okay, can you tell me some good government scheme which Prime Minister has launched recently post-COVID period?
Uh, PM Swanidhi scheme, sir.
Oh, excellent. What is
It
this?
is
Yes.
actually it is implemented exclusively for street vendor. They should receive some LRO, letter of recommendation from the local area. So with that, we should giving a temporary working capital limits to them to the maximum limit of 10,000 rupees, which is repayable in 1 year. If they are properly repaying their dues, means we should give some benefit called subsidy and also.
Okay, I came into your cabin.
Okay,
You were working as a branch manager. I came into your cabin and asking about car loan.
okay,
I am not working anywhere. I don't have any fixed type of income. Even
okay.
though I want car loan, am I eligible to have car loan?
Sir, first of all, I should inquire, sir, whether you have a salaried person or business person. If you are a salaried person, I should inquire with your Form 16 or your income proof and all. If you are business person, I ask for your latest 3 years IT return. If it is my existing customer, means I know for my existing OD customers, my treatment is different. But if you are standard customer coming to my branch for exclusively for car loan, first I ask you in which bank you are having a savings account. Further, he is having a account in Citiunion Bank, means I should process the next stage. If you are having an account with another bank, my next question is you are having with the so and so bank, then you are coming to our bank for a car loan. So this is my first question, sir. Actually, as a branch
Okay.
manager,
Okay.
I'm
Are you selling some social security scheme in your bank launched by Government of India like Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana, Jeevan Jyoti schemes? Are you selling some kind of insurance policy in your bank? These are government policies.
sorry, sir. I cannot go through a question.
Uh, are you aware of social security scheme launched by Government of India?
Yes, sir.
What are they?
Sir, Prime Minister Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana, Atal Pension Yojana, Suraksha Bima Yojana, Suganya Samriddhi Yojana. These are all some of the schemes, sir.
Okay.
Actually, small request, sir.
Yes.
I have adequate knowledge in both pre-disbursement and post-disbursement sanction and all.
That I come to you.
If you give me an opportunity to another one mock interview, means please kindly so much.
Yes.
Thanks
All
a lot, sir.
right. Thank you so much and good luck for your final round. Keep in touch with me
Sure.
on WhatsApp. I will try to take one or two mocks with you also, right? Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.